Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to start eating healthy. Eating healthy is an important part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but it can be overwhelming and confusing for many people. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance is a great way to ensure you're eating a healthy, balanced diet. Plan your meals for the week, and make sure you're including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. By reducing your intake of processed foods and opting for fresh, whole foods, you'll be consuming more nutrients and less empty calories. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocado, and fish, are essential for maintaining good health. Avoid trans fats and limit your intake of saturated fats. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is important for your overall health, and it's especially important when you're trying to eat healthy. Drinking water throughout the day will help you feel fuller and reduce your cravings for unhealthy snacks. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Cook your own meals. Cooking your own meals gives you more control over what you're eating. You can choose healthier ingredients, reduce your intake of unhealthy fats and salt, and control your portion sizes. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating and unhealthy food choices. Make sure you're eating regular, balanced meals throughout the day to keep your energy levels up and prevent cravings. Be mindful of portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you're consuming too much of them. Be mindful of your portion sizes and use smaller plates to help control your portions. In conclusion, starting to eat healthy is not as complicated as it may seem. By following these simple tips, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more balanced diet. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, so take it one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe,